Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add an image gallery in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's just select the page that we want to add that image gallery into. So scroll down, click on pages right here, and then locate the page where you want to add it. So for me, I'll just head over and then add it to my nature page. So right this, click on this view right here. And then this is actually what it looks like. It's actually empty. So click on this edit page right here. And then once we have done that, it will allow us to edit this particular page. So in here, just type in here this slash in order to choose a block, or you can also click on this plus icon. And then you can choose what kind of gallery you want. So click on the search and search in here for gallery. And you should be able to see in here some options for gallery like this one, as well as this ones that we have right here. So just choose which ones resonates with you. For me, I'll just choose this and I'll just drag it right here. And as you can see, it's been added. Now you can replace the image that you have right here. Click on this replace option. Click on the select image, and then let's select some images from our media gallery that we want to add for this one. So let's select this, and you can also do the same thing on the other images that you have on your gallery. So I'll add this, and also I'll also replace this another image that we have. So I'll add this one, and as you can see, they have been added. So next thing I need to do is just click on the save right here in order to save the progress that I've made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.